Notes on the Go is an all-in-one note-taking system. On one side you have a notepad. Housed in the base of the product, you have a pen. On the other side you have a whiteboard, along with a marker, and there's an eraser on the cap. You can see what you have written through the smoky lids. Notes on the Go also comes with a wrist strap along with a carabiner. This is so you can easily hook it to a purse, a tote, backpack, or diaper bag. Notes on the Go is a great reusable tool that helps you throughout the day. Thank you for watching this video.